Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DiPaolo here, fired up and grateful for another day to share with you. On this show, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever else comes to the table. But today, we're going to talk about empowering your online presence with no hidden cost for $25. We're a heart centered community that prioritizes integrity above anything else. We have a daily mastermind. Call it. Everybody is invited. It's never company specific. Everybody around the world is invited. Start your day with a daily dose of some inspiration. We also have the training academy. Get live training and access to hundreds of recordings. It's a low startup cost, right? And excellent pricing. It's user friendly website and funnel builder. We have unlimited resources. Get unlimited funnels, websites, and pages that are already created for you. All you gotta go do is tap in there and make it unique to yourself. I love that. We have a secure connection. We provide SSL security for your URLs. Customer service first throughout and very effective. We have live masterminds the first Monday of each month. So if you're a funnel builder and you own this $25 product, the first Monday of the month we have a live mastermind. But you can also plug into every Saturday training and just the mastermind with the live community and the founders of the company. It's priceless. So it's so worth the $25. Also, residual income, that's what's important about it. It's 80% commission. You earn 80% commissions on all three products, right? And the three products there that they were talking about is the Let's Go app. That's a productivity app that's $10 a month. I love it. I use it every day. If you want to have success in anything and you don't try any other product, that product is the bomb. The second one is the funnel builder. If you go to successwithwandad.com, you can see how the funnel builder works. You can make that work to anything that you're marketing. Also, the traffic and conversion, I love that. That's an over the shoulder with the founders of the companies. And if you have any problems, concerns, issues with your website, you can't figure something out, these guys are the best of the best. And you will not find another place online. I say that because I've been around a long time. I know these guys personally. They're just terrific. So on those three products, right, that's residual income. That the second one, the traffic and conversion, right, that one with the over the shoulder, that is also pays 80% commission. So there's three products that you get 80% commission. And also we have the financial literacy. I love that. If you want to know about money, how to manage your money, how to keep your money, if you own a house, all the savings, if you have a business, this product is a one-time price. But you know what? It's a must-have product. I own it. I love it. It's saved me money over the years. So I love you guys. I appreciate you. I hope you got value. So as always, do something good for somebody else in space to know, and they can't repay you. And hit the link in my bio if you want to learn more now about who we are or what we do. And also, don't forget, we give back to Feed My Starving Children. Love that organization. And we're going to go out there and pack packages of food together again. So have an awesome day.